Compound predicates. A compound predicate is when two or more verbs share the same subject. The predicate is a part of the sentence that makes a statement about the subject. It is the predicate that usually tells us what the subject is doing or what is happening to the subject. In this lesson, we will learn all about compound predicates. Simple versus compound predicates. There are two types of predicates, namely, simple and compound. Let us look at the differences between the two. Here is an example of a simple predicate. Peter lives in Bangalore. Here, there is one subject, Peter, and one verb, lives. This is not a compound predicate. Here is an example of a compound predicate. Peter lives in Bangalore and speaks French. Here, there is one subject, Peter, and two verbs, lives, and speaks. This is a compound predicate. Examples of compound predicates. Here are some examples of compound predicates. The telegram was late but contained exciting news. Subject is telegram, compound predicates are was and contained. The wolves ran away and never returned. Subject is wolves, compound predicates are ran away and returned. The bottle toppled and fell off the table. Subject is bottle, compound predicates are toppled and fell off. The girls swam and played at the beach. Subject is girls, compound predicates are swam and played. She stays in Tokyo and speaks Japanese and English. Subject is she, compound predicates are stays and speaks. One subject in a compound predicate. A compound predicate tells us at least two things about one subject. So, the following sentence is not an example of a compound predicate. Peter lives in Bangalore, and he speaks French. This is a compound sentence. It has two subjects, Peter and he. Each subject has one simple predicate. The following sentence is an example of a compound predicate. Peter and his brother live in Bangalore and speak French. The predicate tells us two things about the subject, Peter and his brother. Even though it has two elements, there is only one subject. It is called a compound subject. Thank you.